How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is out and we got some new settings for you to try. So if you don't want to go with defaults, go ahead and try these settings. These settings will work for both the Hero 10 and the Hero 9 Black. So first up is the sharpness. GoPro is notoriously over sharpened, so you want to keep the sharp setting low. To get that cinematic look, you're going to want to leave Pro Tune on. So Hyper Smooth 4.0 is great, but if you're going to use Real Steady Go, you're going to have to turn off Hyper Smooth. Your ISO setting should be a minimum and a maximum of 100, and you can use an ND16 or even an 8 filter. If you're not going to color correct in post-production, use the Color Profile GoPro. For big open areas, you're going to want to use Super View, but if you're in a narrow area, Standard will be fine. Personally, I like 4K at 60 frames per second, but if I plan on doing slow motion, I jump it up to 120 frames per second. Remember, 5K is best, but 5K files are really big. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe.